Okay, so here we have the heritage carrots. With the carrots, we've steamed these in a little bit of lemon oil and a marmalade dressing, and then vat them down. This beautiful parking recipe has been being used at the hotel for years. Sorry, it's a secret. Some herbs, toasted nuts, this beautiful local goat's curd. It's absolutely delicious, so soft and creamy, and then our marmalade dressing. So for this dish, what we're going to need to do is get the heritage carrots and a handy pair of scissors, and then we're just going to caramelise the carrots in a frying pan with a little bit of the marmalade dressing. So if you set your pan to high and pop in your carrots, then along with the carrots, if we snip the marmalade dressing bag and put about half of that in there, the sugars and the marmalade and the orange will caramelise up beautifully and glaze the carrots. We'll reserve the rest of it for drizzling on the plate. Once the carrots are nicely caramelised, pop them onto a plate, just to make it easier for serving. And then we're going to just gently arrange them around the plate, however you feel pretty. Then, if we snip the corner of the Yellowstone goat's curd bag, we can fold that up and use it to kind of pipe, makes your life a little bit easier. And we can just pipe that goat's curd onto the plate in some nice dots. And we'll open up the parkin. Now I quite like the parkin as a garnish for this dish because the ginger of the parkin really brings the carrots alive. And I like to just kind of crumble it over the top. There'll be plenty of parkin in there, so if you want to eat some, feel free. And then, last couple of finishing touches. A good sprinkle of hazelnuts, just adds a lovely little bit of crunch. And then the remaining marmalade dressing, we can again just kind of pipe that onto the plate. And then finish with what we've got here, some beautiful little nasturtium leaves, or some other cresses. And that's us ready to eat.